You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more names, including how it's pronounced in Hebrew, the original pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Now, this name with this spelling in English is normally pronounced in English as Zacharias. Now, yes, in Hebrew it would probably sound more like Zacharias, but I don't think it exists in Hebrew. Stay tuned a second more for the Hebrew. Zacharias here is how to pronounce it in English. English pronunciation, Zacharias. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.